Introducing Alex's dry cleaning Valet, the pinnacle of convenience and quality in the San Francisco Bay Area. Since 1984, Alex and his team have been delivering exceptional dry cleaning services to the most discerning clients. Known for its seamless early morning pickups and evening deliveries, Alex's has set the standard for unmatched quality in garment care across San Francisco, the Peninsula, and Marin. Alex's dedication to environmental sustainability was spotlighted in a 1993 NPR Marketplace interview, where he championed we 21st century capitalism with environmental stewardship at its core. His groundbreaking approach to blending exceptional service with eco-friendly practices garnered national attention and has remained a cornerstone of Alex's philosophy for over 40 years. With this commitment in mind, Alex collaborated with his brother, Dr. Najafi, a renowned chemist, environmentalist, and author of 7 Commandments to Save the Planet, to develop the hypoallergenic and eco-friendly Alex's soap. This innovative product has become a favorite among Bay Area clients and stands as a passion for sustainability to Alex's testament to Alex's sustainability. Trusted and recommended by leading designer brands and luxury boutiques, Alex's dry cleaning Valet is more than a service. It's a trusted partner for those who care deeply about the maintenance and longevity of their wardrobes. Experience the difference with Alex's dry cleaning Valet, where exceptional quality, unparalleled convenience, and environmental responsibility come together seamlessly.